Hello, we are here with John Thompson from the Record Center in Ottawa, Canada. So many records, so much vinyl. Clearly, you're an expert. Share with us why.
I think I'm an expert for vinyl cleaning and vinyl care because I've just obsessed over vinyl, collected vinyl for 40 years, been involved in selling it for almost 30 years. So it's important, whether you're listening at home or selling it, to get it clean. And I've just figured out different ways over the years. Before record cleaning machines were available, I was a sink cleaner, and I had methods and a system for cleaning records in the sink, and air drying them. And then I moved on to the very early VPI machines. I was a really early adopter of record cleaning machines. My first experience with a record cleaning machine would have been the Keith Monk's machine, which was a very early British-made record cleaning machine. It worked very well. It was super expensive, so it was cost prohibitive. Very few people had them. But a little store in Ottawa had one, McKean, on Bank Street, and I used to stop in there. I was probably 18 or 19 when I'd use that machine, and they'd let me use it for free, which was really neat. So I've cleaned a lot of records, hundreds of thousands, whether it be through my own collection, which is big. I've been collecting records for a long time, over 25,000 records in my own collection, a business that has more than 250,000 records. And whether I'm listening at home or selling records, it's important that they're clean.
Thanks, John.
Thanks.
Next time, make sure to join us as John shares the secrets behind the care and cleaning of records.